Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today was another amazing day. How to close out a Friday strong. So let me show you intraday, like actually the 30 minute, then the 5 minute, and then the 1 minute. Okay. So you have to extend. Well, I didn't really do it because I'm lazy as hell. But this purple is a clear support area or tapering area, right? So price can easily taper off of this purple, this purple, this purple, right? So that's what you have to look for today. And in the morning, we got this perfect rejection off of this purple right here. Give us this break right here, all the way down, right? It was like a 3 point move down, something like that. Um, so that was a very good trade of the day, and then I called it a day at around like I called it a day at like 12 ish or like 11:30 ish, right? um, so I called it a day pretty early today, because again, to even look for ways up, you need to wait for at least the completion of the cup, some type of bullish structure that can define uh, it going up, right? You are gonna have this orange as well that I did not draw up yet because I'm lazy. But yeah, I also call early Fridays as well, every Friday, um, because I have prayers and stuff. So I mostly don't really trade Fridays the whole day. Um, but yeah, normally if there's Friday, there's no continuation structure in the PM. You shouldn't trade that either. Um, it gets very choppy. It gets very complicated. Um, but yeah, so here, so that's how you understand price and where the possibilities of it's going, right? With the purple tapering, as well as that rejection from this purple as well right here, right? Which give us all the way down. And you can see I did not, these agos were already made before. I did not just put them here, I just extended them, right? These agos are there before. That's how the market moves. It will move between these algos, right? So that's the funny thing, and that's the cool thing about trading, right? Um, Once you know, you know. And I also want to make a statement of how I call tops, right? So, for example, we saw the red starting from all the way right here, right? I call the top right here. I call the top right here, right? Um, Initially, so what this structure was like a head, right? The right shoulder right there, right shoulder right here, right? Um, Give us the move down, then retesting this level with the handle, right? So, and then I call the top here as well, and then that gave us this amazing, almost like 30, no, 20 point, 20, 22 plus points, 25 point, yeah. So that's how you realize the top. Like again, I don't, like, you can't predict how much, like you can't predict the market, right? But what you can predict, sorry, you can see it in the structure. You can predict from the, or not predict, you can know how the structure is, right? So for example, I saw this tapering at the yellow, sorry, the orange, right? So clear indication of possible drop right here, and then that's what we got right here. So I was prepared, right? I was prepared yesterday, I was prepared today as well. um, so um, it's not that hard once you understand the market context and how the market moves and how it, like, the trends, right? The indicators, the trends, of the signs. And it's just it's just the market will always follow. I've been trading 3 plus years, and I've never, like, unless for news, the market has always followed what it's supposed to follow. Even with news, right? It follows what it's supposed to follow. Um, so that's how I've stuck with um, my form of trading. I believe is the only form of trading there is. Fair value as well, whatever. That's all a gamble. Um, I don't, I don't, I see, like, I'm on TikTok, so I'm seeing, oh, people like trade fair. I'm like, bro, what the, like, um, and with my trading, you're not even risking a lot, right? Um, but okay, I'm done yapping. Holy shoot, I just yapped so long. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, so let me show you intraday, right? So clearly, right, rejection of the yellow. So the first trade possible entry was right here, right? Then the next entry was right here, and this was a right shoulder here as well. So that was an addition of my position as well, and then this was a beautiful, like around 3 point move, right? So again, like that's all you need for a Friday. Friday, you don't overtrade on Fridays. I never do. I call it a day early as well. Um, but guys, if we are headed back up, we have to wait. At least wait for the cup to close at 536, 537, 537. Okay, wait for the cup to close at 537 level, and then take possible like if go long then, right? But for now, you have to wait and see how um, you can't have a long bias. You can't call for reversals. You have to wait for the 5 day to at least catch up. Um, 5 day should catch up in like next week, middle of next week to end, right? Um, so just wait on that, um, and wait for the 5 day retest of some sort, and hopefully the 5 day comes out, right? And then the price moves up, down with it, right? So um, hopefully we see. I would like to see some type of chop actually Monday, um, and for the price to recalibrate, and just if it moves down with the 5 day, that's the best because it's much safer. It gives us better entries always, um, and we know what we're getting ourselves into, and we're not in the unknown, right? Because we don't want to just trade without any like vision, right? I like to always think 10 steps ahead before even take the trade, right? I like to know where um, my take profits are, my stop, right? My stop, where how price should move, how what I should do if price doesn't move that way, right? Um, the way I want it to, um, or if not the way I want it to, but the if it doesn't follow the algos, right? For example, if we're looking at like for example right here, right? Perfect example right here. If you don't see that rejection right here, that's a clear sign of a reversal, right? And that's what we had the other day. So if the price doesn't fully reject from here, right, that's a clear sign of a reversal or some type of tapering, right? Um, so you have to be careful of that, right? Uh, but yeah, 8 minutes. Okay, we need to stretch this out for 2 more minutes. What can I show you? What can I show you? Oh yeah. So for the recovery, I go right here, right? Then the cup close right here, right? Um, but yeah, we have a pretty good way up if we, but you know, we were in such a bullish run. I'm gonna show you that some type of measure was needed, right? Form of a correction of some sort, right? See, we are testing this level right here, so let's see what happens. Possible handle, right? Um, and then close the cup right here eventually, right? 518. Um, but yeah, you guys see how it worked out per head, right? So many places to take trades here, um, and so easy to take the trade if you understand the structure and everything. But just be careful and wait for the structure, and then we have a pretty easy way down after if we close the cup right here, right, and from the handle, we have a pretty easy way down to the lows of right here, 544, 496, 494, right? So pretty easy way down. So you still have so many opportunities to take trades. So even if you miss out on all of this, a couple hundred plus, right? Oh wait, more than what the hell? That was like 300 points. Um, so if you miss out, that's fine. you're gonna get way bigger moves right here as well. And look at this, like how easy did we come up here, and the easier we're gonna go down. Let the market even test this 490 level, right? Then we have a whole straight 200 point move down, move possible, right? And look at how easy we went up, right? Easy way up, easy way down, right? So just look out for that. There's so many opportunities. So if you missed all of this week, right? If you missed it, it's fine. It's totally fine. Wait for the coming weeks, coming days, right? And don't overtrade, and know that even if you miss a trade, there's always another opportunity. Okay, guys. All right, guys. See you guys Monday. Happy Friday. Happy Wednesday. Whatever. See you guys tomorrow.